You still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay, I saw something flash and I thought, oh
No,
no.
that was somebody else was signing in too, but
Ah,
now she's back out.
all right, no problem. Mang is first. Mang, Foster, Clark,
Okay.
Robinson, Watson. If you want me to
Okay.
ring the, do you want those again, or is that?
Is that what you sent me earlier?
Yes,
Or did
actually,
you change?
yep, we're following the list, following
Okay.
what I sent you. So for
Okay.
now, but we'll give it a try.
Okay.
Okay, back
All right.
soon.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Judge.
How you doing today?
We're all right. I've got all my first five people here, but we do need an interpreter, and I don't. Somebody else will have to speak up if that person's on the way.
The
Okay.
the person's supposed to be on the way. They're not here yet, so I don't know if you
Okay.
want to go to the second
Sure,
person, Foster, first until that interpreter comes.
sure. Judge, I've got the first five people sitting here, so that would not be a problem. I can rotate the interpreter person out.
Okay. No
All right,
problem.
all right. Give me just a second. We'll do that. It'll be Thomas Foster.
Okay.
Yeah, Foster, you're up. Things change. Just sit right there. All right, Mr. Foster is here if you're ready, Judge. No, no. Let me give you these. A second. Here. You're gonna do it all for that. Keep looking you up. We'll get rolling here.
All right, Mr. Foster, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Mr. Foster?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right, I see a no insurance on October 1st, 2024,
Mhm.
along with a tag violation. And let me see what notes the judge did. Looks like you have a Johnson County hold. So what do they want you for in Johnson County?
I believe it was for gummies. I live in Missouri now, and I had some gummies in my car.
Okay.
The reason I missed court, if it helps, sir, I don't know where you went, but I had a quadruple bypass
Okay.
and was laid up. So yeah, I don't know
Okay.
what happened.
Ashley,
Okay.
what do you want to tell me?
I apologize, Your Honor. I was misread. I, I believe that is correct on Mr. Foster. I apologize.
Okay. So, are you employed, Mr. Foster?
No, I'm on disability, Your Honor.
All
I
right.
just got on it.
And how did you get arrested?
I got pulled over for a tag violation.
Okay.
I did just
Okay, go ahead.
I did just get my disability check. I can take care of the fines as soon as I get out.
Okay. Well, do you want to talk to the prosecutor about working out some sort of plea
Please.
agreement?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Ashley, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Is there some sort of plea agreement we can get to get me OR'd or
We'll go into
or
a breakout room, sir. So just if you would tell Mr. Doyle to put you into a breakout room. I'm
okay?
looking for the I'm looking for the button to click.
Okay, I need a breakout room. One moment, ma'am.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I was able to speak with Mr. Foster. Mr. Foster does believe that he can show proof of insurance from October 1st of 2024, Your Honor.
Okay,
He also, the vehicle that he was driving on October 1st, 2024, he no longer has. However, he does have a separate vehicle, which he believes it's currently impounded, sir, but he might be able to get tags on that if he can get it out. So the city is requesting that we set this out. I don't have an objection to an OR bond to allow him to bring that verification to us so we can resolve this matter.
okay.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Foster, I'll grant you an OR bond. Your next court date is going to be on August the 26th at 8:30.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And please remember to bring your insurance and your tag information.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are we done?
Yes, we're done.
Okay, thank you.
I don't see an interpreter, so let's go with Sean Clark. All right. We all ready?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Clark, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you fine.
All right, I see a trespassing on June 2nd, 2025 at 10:50 in the morning in the 600 block of South 7th Street. I see a
I'd like to bring in
trespassing.
that it's now June 25th, 2025.
I
They
know.
they arrested me about that. I've only been here about 3 or 4 days.
Well, I'm just telling you.
I didn't. I'm like pleading not guilty though. I
Okay.
didn't have no needle hanging on my arm or nothing. I I uh, I went to the emergency room, but they let me go. I'm
Well,
arrested for
you also have a
$5.
trespassing March 10th at 3708 State Avenue. A trespassing June
I
3rd, 2025 at 3129 State Avenue. A trespassing June 4th at 3725 State Avenue. So what's going on?
It was me.
Okay. Are you employed?
Um, I got a Nintendo. I don't have a Nintendo, you know. I had a Nintendo.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to hold on a second.
Your Honor, I believe there are 4 separate officers.
Right.
One is a Thursday AM. One so far is a Friday AM. And I'm looking at the other 2, sir, to perhaps break the tie. Oh, Ryburn again. I believe Thursday morning, Thursday AM, sir, would be the most effective.
Okay. All right, Mr. Clark, I'm going to set these matters for a trial. Trial will be on September the 4th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And your bond is set at $100 cash. Can you make that?
I'm sure I can. Yeah.
All right, $100 cash.
Can
September
I
4th.
get a recognizance?
Tell
About
me why I
recognizance?
would grant you a recognizance bond when you missed 3 different court dates.
I missed you. I'm just a jail video.
No. You missed, let me see, you missed your court dates
I just
for the
I got back
March.
from London on a state charge.
You say you just got back from Larned?
Yeah. This was my 3rd time. I'm not going back.
Uh-huh.
I'm homeless. I have shoes. I have clothes. I've only been there about 3 days.
Okay, how long were you in Larned?
Um, I don't know. It's been it's 2025. It's June 25th, Tuesday, June 2025.
So you're
July. It's July. Excuse me, July 25th, Tuesday,
okay.
2025.
So you're in
Donald
Larned
Trump's the
for
current president.
okay. All right, I'll grant you no R September 4th.
Thank you, sir.
Yep,
Have a good day.
yep.
Still
What
no
was the-
interpreter. Oh,
What was the time, Judge, on that? September 4th at 1,
8:30.
8:30.
8:30? Okay.
And we still don't have an interpreter. That's right, Dorotha.
Yeah, we still don't have one yet. Shantae's trying to get him.
Okay.
I have Mr. Robinson ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Here we go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're Mr. Robinson, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so I understand you have a hold from Clay County as well. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. How did you get arrested?
I guess the task force team came to get me because the detective wanted to ask me some questions, and I was placed on a 48-hour hold, but the 48-hour hold was lifted. So now I'm just sitting for some KCK warrants.
Okay. Okay, so this is what you have. You've got a speeding that was issued to you on April 19th, 2023 at 68th and parallel, along with the seatbelt violation, a no driver's license, and a no insurance. You also have a failure to appear citation that was issued to you April the 28th of 2022 for an old ticket that it was a criminal damage to property that you got back in September of 2020. at 6330 Sandusky. Does all that ring a bell?
I was just here like a little bit over a year and a half ago, and
Uh-huh.
only thing that had popped up was the driving out license, and me and the judge went over that I had then, and he
Uh-huh.
just had me wanting to pay a fine for just the ticket and drive no, just a ticket and the court costs, but everything else he said never popped up or nothing like that, so I never knew nothing about it. And the ticket, I mean, the court appearance for the ticket that you said that was April before that one,
Uh-huh.
I never had a court date for it because I was here for I want to say like 4 months, and it never came up about. So that's why I said these warrants was kind of new to me, but they're old, but they're kind of new to me.
All right. So do you want to talk to the prosecutor, see if you can work out some sort of plea agreement?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tell Mr. Doyle that you want to go into a breakout room.
Uh, a breakout room. He said somebody going to.
Talk directly to the front.
Hey, Dortha,
Yes,
do you think that second guy we saw was really crazy, or do you think that was an act?
I think he's really crazy. I mean, he looked like he was really crazy.
Yeah, yeah.
And he kept mumbling like it was June and not July. And
Yeah, and he's talking
I
about
don't
his
know.
Nintendo.
Yeah, his Nintendo. Yeah, I didn't understand that part.
Hold on a moment. I got the boss walking in.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, have him come on in. Oh, I've already dealt with him. I want to ask him a few questions. Hey, Dortha,
Yeah.
apparently Mr. Clark, caseworker is going to talk to me, so we'll get a
Okay.
definitive answer. So I'm going to put everybody on mute.
Okay.
Okay, Dortha, apparently it's legit. He's been homeless for 20 years, according to his caseworker.
Oh, so we are still setting those for trial, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
When's your retirement date? I'll just set everything after that. And you can just say, I don't care.
And my last day to work is August 29th.
Okay.
I think they're supposed to be having my party here on August 22nd.
Okay.
So, did you get anything from Lisa?
About yes, I did.
Okay, okay. I think they're back now.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I was able to speak with Mr. Robinson. At this time, the city has offered for him to plead guilty to no insurance and failure to display driver's license. And the city would dismiss the rest of the charges. And Mr. Robinson would owe $473.50 in total.
Okay. Mr. Robinson, is that something you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. You got that all, Dorothy?
Yes, I just need a new day.
All right. So, what's going on with your 48-hour hold that's been released? Is that right?
Yes.
And what do they want you for in Clay County?
I want to say it's a low class felony for theft and a small misdemeanor.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll give you a deadline of September 9th to make your first payment. I'll grant you an OR bond.
Would I be able to sign my extradition papers here soon?
I assume so. So your next, like I said, your first payment deadline is September the 9th at 8:30.
You got a piece of paper I can.
Anytime between now and then, if you make a payment of 50 or more, the clerk can grant you an extension without you having to show up in court. If you're still in custody in Clay County, if someone can make a payment on your behalf, that's fine. If we don't hear anything from you and no one shows up on September the 9th, then we'll just issue another warrant for you.
Okay,
All
understood.
right. Okay, good enough.
Uh, would I sign my papers here, or somebody come up here and bring them to me?
I don't know. That's up to the state court. So tell Mr. Doyle that you're done with me, okay?
All right, here you go.
Okay.
I just Quincy Watson, judge, and everybody, he just got released. I don't know under the circumstances. I don't have a future date or
Okay.
anything. So that leaves us with Mr. Mang, and I don't see an interpreter. We still have others to go. Do you want me to just head on
Yeah,
down the
because
list?
they're having a hard time getting an interpreter, but they're working on it.
Sure. Okay. You want me to head on down the list, Judge? Yes?
Yes, please.
Will do. Different floor, Durham or Soltero. I'll be back soon.
Okay.
Yeah, I can always come back if we get the interpreter. That wouldn't be
All
a
right.
problem.
Hey, Ashley,
Yes, sir.
I got a question for you, and let me explain the circumstances, okay?
Yes, sir.
There was a lady that had appeared in my court several years ago, had driving on suspended, and most of the issues were out of Edwardsville. Doesn't make any difference. Anyway, she called me in a panic yesterday, claiming that her uh, son's father had physically abused her son. She has a PFA present in Wyandotte County District Court in front of Judge Lynch. Apparently, there's also a custody issue going on. And I looked up the defendant or the boy's father. His name is Eugene Stallings. And I see that he had 2 domestic violence cases that you ended up nolo prosequi, and he was represented by an attorney. And I was wondering if you could fill me in on what you remember from that case.
Yes, sir. I can do that, but I will not do it currently because we are live streaming on YouTube.
Okay,
So
okay.
I will talk. If you send me an email, sir, I will get that to you.
All right. Can we go to a breakout room?
I have no idea, sir. If they'll let us, I'll go into a breakout room if you.
Dorotha, can you go? Can you set
I
up a
can
break?
let me send you to the breakout room with the same one that Ashley usually goes into.
Okay,
I'll send you over there.
okay.
Okay. Hello.
Hello?
Judge Ryan, you'll have to accept the breakout room, I think, on the computer to go over there. It's Mang, it's M-A-N-G or M-A-U-N-G.
I don't see it.
And that's the same as his last name. Okay. Maybe I can't send you over there,
Okay, yeah,
so we may not be able to do that.
okay.
Let me try this.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay. He went over there, Ashley. Okay.
Pardon me, Judge, Daniil Durham is here.
Sorry, Jim, go ahead.
Daniil Durham.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, Mr. Durham, can you hear me?
Oh, yes.
All right, so tell me, apparently you have a preliminary hearing on August the 28th on your county cases. Who's your attorney on those cases?
John A. Herman.
Okay. And are these cases that you're going to be seeking a plea agreement, or are you going to go to trial on them?
Well, according when I talked to my attorney, we was supposed to do a plea agreement, but I haven't. He hasn't said anything yet. But as of right now, I know that we're supposed to be going back to court on it. Preliminary hearing on August the 28th.
Right, right.
But from my understanding, at first he was saying something about a plea agreement for probation.
Well, I don't even know if that's something that you want to do. So looks like you're just you have one active case with us, a trespassing at 3015 Ford Avenue back in September of 2023 at about 4:30 in the morning. Does that ring a bell?
No, sir. It's because in 2023 I was preparing myself for a surgery, and I never was at that location because when they pulled me over about it last year, they were saying something about a criminal trespassing, and I've never been arrested for criminal trespassing.
Well, let me take a look at the ticket, okay?
September 2023.
Well, you signed it.
Um,
It looks like a deputy in the Wyandotte County jail system is the one that signed it, that issued it.
on 34th Street.
3015 Ford Avenue.
Nah, I never 34 whatever. I don't even know where that's at.
Yep, hold on a moment. Let me pull it up. All right. Well, do you know where City Park is?
You know what? I do. I do. Okay. But I didn't receive, they didn't give me no, that day, they didn't give me no ticket. He didn't give me no ticket. He just told me to get all my belongings out of the truck and just like have somebody come and get me. I never received a ticket. I never got a ticket.
You signed the ticket, partner.
I
I
mean, I recall it, but I just don't remember signing no ticket. I remember getting a
uh-huh.
ticket. But
Okay.
I do remember the incident, though. I do remember the incident. I do apologize. I remember the incident at the city park.
Okay. Okay. Well, what do you want to do on that charge?
I mean, they said I had a fine for it. I mean, I guess I was guilty. I mean, he did catch me at the city park. It was at nighttime. It was when the city park was closed, so I was there.
Yeah. Are you employed, Mr. Durham, or were you employed prior to your
Well,
incarceration?
Well, prior to my incarceration, I had just started a job. I just started a job because I had at that point in time I had cancer, and I had to go to surgery you remove some polyps, and I had a hernia, so I wasn't able to work. But now I'm able to
Mhm.
work. And prior to this incident, I did have a job, but now since I've been here almost going to be 90 days, next time I go to court. I don't think I'm employed, but I am seeking employment as soon as I get out of custody. I have a job
Okay.
lined up as soon as I get out of, as soon as I'm released. As soon as I'm released.
Okay. All right, well, I'm going to grant you an OR bond. Your next court date with us is going to be, we'll go we'll go September the 2nd at 1 p.m.
Okay.
All right, you're done.
All right. Thank you.
Mhm.
Judge Ryan, so he didn't plead guilty or not guilty to that,
No,
right?
no,
Okay,
he didn't.
okay.
I don't think he's going to be getting out anytime in the next 6 months.
Okay.
Mr. Soltero.
Okay.
Hello?
All right, Alan Soltero Ramirez, is that right?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Let me see what the judge's notes are. All right, so apparently you have a Jackson County hold for contempt of court in
Yeah.
addition to the Wyandotte County contempt of court. So what's going on with the Wyandotte County contempt of court? Do you know?
It's child support. I went to court today for it.
And what happened?
Uh, they asked me if I can make a payment, and I'm gonna try to make a payment on it.
All right, so is this one in Jackson County or is
Yeah,
it?
Jackson County is because I've been incarcerated since June 5th.
Uh-huh.
So I haven't been able to go over there. Um, because I've been incarcerated. I was in Olathe.
Okay.
So that's why I got the Jackson County hold.
Okay.
So my attorney said as soon as I get over there, he's gonna take my letter of incarceration and I should be able to just get an OR bond.
All right, let me see what you got with us. All right, no driver's license from December of 2019. And no, that was at 39th and Eaton over by KU Medical Center. You have a no insurance from May 23rd, 2021 at 12th and Metropolitan. A driving on suspended March 22nd, 2025 at 4:40 in the afternoon on North 2nd Street. And improper parking on that same day. It
On that,
just hold on.
sorry, okay,
I'm going through them. You have a
okay.
expired tags August 4th, 2023 at 18th and Pacific Avenue, along with another driving unsuspended and a no insurance, and then another no insurance, March 22nd, 2023 at 11:45 at 3201 Fairfax Traffic Way. All right, do all those ring a bell with you?
Yeah, some of them, yeah.
All right. So do you know why your license is suspended?
I've I got my driver license suspended when I was 14, and I just never,
Okay.
yeah, I
How
just
old,
never
how old are you now?
33.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
So I see that your bond is set at 2,500 cash. Did the judge reduce that today?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm going to appoint defense counsel to represent you, and we're going to reset you for this Friday.
Okay.
All right. And I'm going to set your bond at 500 just to make sure that you're here until Friday. Okay.
Okay.
It's not that I'm trying to punish you. It's just
Mhm.
I want to get these cases over with. And, between Wyandotte County and Jackson County, you got enough problems. Okay.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So $500 cash bond, appoint defense counsel. We'll see you this Friday at
Is that
1 o'clock.
and is that cash bond or surety?
It's a cash. We
Okay.
don't do any sureties in municipal court.
Okay. Okie dokie then.
All right, you
right,
can get
thank
the
you.
headphones back.
All right. Thank you.
Mhm.
Gonna head on down for our lady, Mindy
right.
Guston. I'll be back.
Okay. That's August 1st, Dorothy.
Yeah, August 1st at 1.
Yep.
Okay.
What was the woman's name?
Mindy, let me see. Mindy Gustin,
Okay.
Gustin.
I got it. And Dorothy, who's the one that requires the interpreter?
His last name is Maung, and that's the same as his first name.
Okay. Oh
And
yeah, I see that.
Dominic said they should be signing on, but they haven't yet.
Yeah, this is when we need the Burmese interpreter. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, those aren't very handy.
Well, they were trying something new that they gave them a direct line to sign into, but that's not working.
Okay.
And Doyle said that Quincy Watson, he already bonded out. Is that what he said on that one? Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So I don't have to send nothing over on that one.
right.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'm just going to step away for a quick moment. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Man, sorry about that. Clicking
That's
the
all right.
button. Ms. Guston.
Okay. All right, Miss Guston, you have some old traffic tickets, September 13th, 2024 at 9:35 in the morning. It says you're at 75th Place and State Avenue when you allegedly had a turn movement without a required signal, expired tags, and no insurance. Does that ticket ring a bell?
Yes.
All right. So, what's going on with your county charges?
I I did have insurance. I did
Now,
make it in.
listen
Oh,
to me.
I'm sorry.
What's going on with your county charges?
What is that? What I came in for?
Yeah, that's a possession of drugs, a possession of hallucinogenic drugs, and paraphernalia.
Um, I did admit to him about going to the dispo, the
Uh-huh.
dispensary, and hallucinogenic. I have no idea what he's speaking of.
Okay.
I had I had my daughter's car, but I know she didn't have anything in it. I had got a vape pen, and I had
Uh-huh.
got a joint.
Okay.
And then there was a bottle of Pink Whitney that I had got the night prior to. That was also in the vehicle.
What's Pink Whitney?
It's vodka.
Okay. Well, what do you think you want to do on these charges?
On those charges,
Yeah, on the traffic ticket that you
on the
got.
traffic ticket.
Yeah.
Um, I did have insurance. Um, if I do get paid tomorrow, I mean, whatever I got to do, I got to do it. I don't have the
Uh-huh.
vehicle anymore because it did get towed.
Right.
And then I had lost my job after that, and I just started working back, and I mean, that's the best I can do.
All right. So why did you not show up in court back in November of 2019? Do you remember?
I
I mean,
did not have
2024, excuse me.
Yeah, last year, I did not have a ride. I was truly depressed. That's when
Okay.
I lost my job. I was truly depressed. I lost my job, lost my home. I lost everything.
All right. So here's the deal. If you think that there was insurance, insurance companies are required to keep their records for a minimum of 5 years. So if you're insured at the time, all you got to do is contact the agent. They can provide you with a duplicate copy. If you're computer savvy, I get my copies off the online. So I will give you a continuance. I'll grant you an OR bond. Your next
Thank
court
you.
date is going to be August the 5th at 1 p.m.
Okay.
And that is next Tuesday.
Okay.
And if you got the proof of insurance, bring it with you.
Okay.
Uh, obviously you can't do anything with the tag violation,
No.
but if you got the insurance, that's a biggie because that's a $300 fine.
Yeah, I do.
All right, good enough. You're done. Just tell Mr. Doyle you're
All right.
done.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
All right, that's it except for Meringue, our first
Yeah, our
person.
Mr. Mong, looks like
Mong,
we're
yes.
looks like
Yeah.
we're SOL on that. So,
Okay.
is the next jail docket on Friday? Is that right,
Yes,
Dorotha?
sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's put them on Friday. Um, um, I'll grant them an OR on our stuff.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye
Uh-huh.
all.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.